Alright, how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And tonight, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Auorld 2-in-1 stylus for your smart and or touchscreen devices. Alright? So, without further ado, let's walk around the package, then let's unbox it, and let me give y'all my first impressions. Alright. Now, starting off, I actually decided to pick up this stylus set. I was inspired by a good friend of mine, your boy C. Butler. I saw his videos on a similar version of the stylus, and I was like, that seems pretty cool. And you know, if you use a stylus, it actually cuts down on the finger strain and the overall fingerprints on your devices. So I wanted to get more into using styluses. And I had some, but they broke, so that gave me a pretty good reason to pick this up. So a little bit of backstory before we dive in. Now, talking about the overall packaging and presentation, again, I picked this up via Amazon. Everything was very nicely packaged and well protected, so Amazon did a good job. And Auorld, you guys did a good job as well. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. These Chinese companies really need to come with a pronunciation guide. So yeah. But talking about the overall packaging on the product itself here, I really like this packaging. It's really clean, simple, and straightforward. So you got pretty much nothing else on the box but some barcode information down here. So you guys and gals can see this is a 2-pack, and it did come with 2 colors. It came with black and blue. Now, my granddad actually picked this up for me, and since it came with 2, I only really need 1. So I gave him 1, and I took 1. So there's actually only going to be 1 in the box here, but everything else should still be in there. So pretty much, aside from the fact that y'all are only going to see 1 color, this is everything that would come in this package if you decide to pick it up. But other than that, nothing but some barcode information on the back. It's all clean around the sides. And then up on the top here, we just got the company logo and the company slogan, which is slightly off in my opinion, because y'all can see it says, excellent stylus for your need. And I think they wanted to say, excellent stylus for your needs. But it is what it is. These Chinese companies, their English is not the best. Even us English-speaking people, our English is not the best either. Trust me, we're really bad out here in the States. But really clean packaging. Now, y'all already know how I do. To speed up the process, we already cracked all the tapes and seals. So let's just take the lid off here. And y'all can see this is what the stylus looks like here. So let me pull this out. Hopefully with minimal struggles. Alright. So this is the Stylus Pen. And we do have a little bit more company branding right there. Really nice touch. And again, as y'all saw in the box, this is the blue and black ones. So I like blue. My favorite colors, for you guys and gals that didn't know, are blue, black, white, and red. So as soon as I saw that red, I was like, yo, granddad, I gotta get this. So yeah, he took the black one, I took the blue one. Very happy right now. This looks really clean. But it is a 2-in-1 stylus, so you do have your traditional stylus tip here. And or if you want to, you know, get a little bit more fine control, you unscrew this top here and you have your pen-like tip here as well. So that's really nice. Alright? Put the stylus down for a minute there. And in the packaging here, we do have multiple different tips. So we have our regular stylus tips, and then we have our pen stylus tips. So we get 4 pen stylus tips, and we get 2 regular stylus tips. And pretty much, if anything ever happens here, you just pretty much unscrew this. Okay, make sure it comes off completely. And then screw the new one on, as you can see there, and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. Alright? And I gotta say, I really like this. It looks clean. It adds a lot of versatility here, so you pretty much just choose the side you want to use, and then you cover up the side you don't want to use, and just screw back on the top here. So push it down and screw it on, and you're good to go. That's pretty much it. Alright, and as I said, let's do a quick little demo here. Put this off to the side and get my phone out my pocket. This does work on all smart devices or touchscreen devices. And y'all can see the overall touch sensitivity on this is really, really good. It's really, really smooth. I actually like it. And I don't lose any touch sensitivity using this stylus. So really, really nice touch. Really good stuff. Anyway, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Auorld Universal 2-in-1 Stylus. Alright, now, my full review for this stylus right here should probably take me about a week to do. So I'm going to go ahead and use it for a little bit. Then in full review, I'm going to talk about some of the stuff that I like about it and what the company did well. I'm going to also go over some of the stuff I didn't like about it, some ways they can improve, so on and so forth. We're going to talk about the price, and then I'm going to give you guys and gals an overall recommendation or two. But you guys and gals, stay tuned for that. It should be out in about a week from the posting of this video. Y'all know how we do. Now, that being said, if you guys and gals did enjoy the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Alright? Also, if this video piqued your interest, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals. And you guys and gals will be able to pick up this Stylus 2-in-1 pen here at some really great prices. So all the links to where you guys and gals could pick this Stylus pen up at some really great prices will be located down below in the video description. So interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, this whole video was recorded using the Samsung Galaxy S8 rear-facing 12 megapixel camera in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. So please let me know what y'all think of the overall video quality and what you guys and gals think of the overall audio quality as well, because there is no external microphone hooked up tonight. So all the audio and video you guys and gals are seeing and hearing is coming directly from the Samsung Galaxy S8 itself. Alright, so let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Alright, that being said, I am also using the ANGGO stabilization recording kit. So we got the tripod, the monopod selfie stick, and the smartphone mount. I'm using that. And we also have the Bluetooth remote control, so I can easily start and stop or pause the video just by clicking that Android button there. So I am using that as well. So let me know what y'all think of the angle of this video and the overall stabilization of it also down below in the comments. Alright, I hope everyone has a great evening, and I'll catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace everyone. We out of here. Let me push the button.